Hey Jose, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. Just wanted to give you this video I was telling you about the other day about some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. So for the first few things I want to go over is going to be content, backlinks, and citations, and what you can do to improve those to help boost you up in the Google ranking on the organic search history or search listings. So first thing is content. Google uses content to basically figure out what your products and services are, how you're found, and boost your ranking in the organic search. When people put in their keywords into Google, you would be the first one to pop up once you get to the first page of Google. So looking at your page here, definitely can use some improvements on the content. You have some, looks like you get about 500 words about. So what Google likes to look for is about 1,500 words minimum, 1,500 to 2,000 depending on your competition. And they also have to have good backlinks that are related to what your products and services are. So we'll go over to your competitions page, which is called Caldwell Fencing. When I looked Google search for fence companies in Caldwell, they were up on the first page of Google. So there will be a competition we'll be using, just kind of as a reference. They don't have a whole lot of content as well. They got about the same, probably about 500 words or so. But again, it'd be easy to beat them out with improving your content on your first page and then improving the quantity of keywords that you're using that are relevant to your products and services. So it wouldn't be too hard to beat them out on that. That would be the first thing to help boost your ranking on Google. Next thing I'm going to talk about is going to be backlinks. And I'll use a program, it's called Ahrefs. It'll monitor, it shows me how many keywords you use, backlinks are used, how much organic traffic is going through your website every month, and how much your value of that traffic is every month. The power of your trust on Google trust is 16 out of 100, and your power is 0.2 out of 100 for Google. You have 175 backlinks, 33 keywords. Your backlinks are fairly low level, so definitely help to improve your backlink legitimacy, strength. Just have some really good quality backlinks will definitely help boost your ranking as well. So a little bit about backlinks is anywhere you find a website linking to another via a hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most likes or wins on their website have them pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worthy noting relevance of your industry and local websites will work best. So you can go look at your competition. They have 12 keywords and 25 backlinks. It does show that they have less keywords and less backlinks, but I'm guessing it's just the strength of the keywords that they're using, the strength of their backlinks that they have that are just, they're basically lucky, in other words, that they have a higher ranking in Google than you do. And there's some other there could be some other factors in there with, like I said, the backlinks, but I wouldn't necessarily worry about them having less than you and them higher rank than you. It just means that they're more easily beat on the keywords backlinks because they have so little. It just means you have to restructure your content and keywords again, and then having better backlinks than them, which would be pretty easily done since they only have 25. So I feel that doing those two things so far would definitely beat them out in no time at all. Last thing I want to go over is citations. And that goes back to when we Google search keywords on like fence companies. You'll see the Google map packs here with the companies on the left hand side. So this is called the map pack. And how you get ranking on the map pack is by citations. And citations are anywhere your business name and number and address are exactly listed as a Google business profile. Citations will help rank you in the map pack, and which is extremely important for local businesses, especially you, since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. So I definitely want to, we want to boost these up, get more citations. The more citations you have, the better, more ranking you'll have, the higher ranking you'll get. Citations include the directories, so how you get citations is putting your information in the directories, so like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB, even Google has their own directory you can use for free. The idea is that your brand begins to be found on Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So that's where you want to build that trust. Once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely you'll be ranked above them. So, like I said, it wouldn't be too hard to be ranked number one. Just a few minor things, a few improvements, better links, more citations. Definitely be beating them out, be on number one, have way more online traffic, way more revenue coming in. So once you like I said, content, backlinks, citations all together, you start to outgrow your competitors. This way you'll see. So like I said, you have three organic traffic having $2 value, or they even have less. I don't know. I still don't understand this, but it definitely wouldn't be hard to beat them. So like them being low like this, it would be super easy to beat them out. So you'd be number one in Caldwell for sure. So, but your traffic and your revenue would definitely increase being a number one front page. So anyway, so this is what I do for a living. I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you cover more than just Caldwell, you could definitely make more back pages for your different locations with the content and keywords, and that'll help you cover other areas, help rank those pages for other areas so you're even more seen in other areas and not just Caldwell. So that definitely help you in all aspects of the Treasure Valley. So if you find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out. I can help you with some more information, or you can even talk about your goals. I can redo research to find exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. If you find this information helpful, educational, insightful, whatever, feel free to give me a call, 208-402-8268. I'd love to help you guys out. So again, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hope I hear from you. Take care.